Residents of Old Town and East Augusta voiced their concern about a big construction project that's going on in downtown Augusta. It involves removing some of the sidewalks and cutting down lots of trees along Telfair Street, including a crepe myrtle that's been dubbed a state champion for its size and age. Monday night, nearly 150 people attended a public meeting led by Commissioner Jordan Johnson. Preserving the beauty and history of downtown was not the only concern.
And landscape architecture is trees, it's the plantings, but it's also the hardscape that you include in the streetscape.
So when we are seeing these restorations or improvements to downtown, it is disappointing as a resident who has had to follow certain guidelines to live there that I don't see any indicators that the city is complying with the same guidelines that I as a resident.
Now, city leaders will present all questions and concerns at the next committee meeting on June 30th. Make that July 30th. Commissioner Johnson says additional public meetings are forthcoming.